And then came the revolutionary case, transformer. So transformer is an architecture which was introduced in 2017 by Vaswani, was the chief architect behind this paper, but there were total 7 people from Google who came up with a paper called transformer architecture. What the paper says, attention is, please listen it properly. This is a very, very important concept behind the scene. We'll try to go deeper into transformer architecture in some time. But here's a very important thing. Attention is all you need. That revolutionized the NLP. So transformer processes all. So basically, what was happening with the earlier model is, let's say you are blindfolded or you are a small kid who is reading a book. So you are reading book word by word. So you are reading a sentence word by word, first word of a sentence, second word of a sentence, third word of a sentence, so and so. By the time you come to the last word in the sentence, you really forgot what you read at the first word of the sentence. And that's how these previous models worked also. They were not able to create the context behind or inter between the words. But the transformer architecture revolutionized everything. What it said is, attention is all you need. So transformer process all the words in parallel and use attention to figure out which word matters most while understanding the context. So let me give you an example. Let's say there's a sentence, the monkey ate the banana. The monkey ate the banana because it was hungry. The monkey ate the banana because it was hungry. Here it refers to banana or monkey. The earlier models were not able to differentiate. However, because of the attention is all you need, what transformer architecture said, and it read the whole sentence, the whole paragraph together, and it was able to create the contexts between the words, or create the I will go deeper into this part, but it was able to basically able to create the relationship between the word, and it was able to read the whole sentence together. So it is able to figure out in the sentence, the monkey ate the banana because it was hungry. It refers to monkey, not the banana. So think transformer like a smart reader that reads the entire paragraph at once, figures out which words matters most, connects ideas between the words better than the older models in a layman word. So think transformer architecture like a smart reader that reads the whole paragraph together, whole sentence together, compared to the older models, figures out which word matters the most, connection between the words, and connects ideas better as compared to the older models. And that revolutionized the whole era. ChatGPT came in, open source model, and a lot of things. So any questions? Okay. So basically, then came the generative AI, GPT models, 2.0 and 3.0 and so on, so things. So the age of Gen AI came up, and then basically the text models came up, then image models, video models. What is few shot learning or zero shot learning? Anyone want to answer? Few shot, zero shot learning? What is few shot learning, zero shot learning? Okay. So basically, as the name says, zero shot. So basically, what happened with the earlier models is, you have to train them for your problem statement. So let's say you want to predict the housing prices in a society. First, you have to train the model. Whatever model you want to use, up to you. You have to train the model onto your data, and then only the model can generate the things for you. However, these LLMs or generative models, they can start answering a question. You go to ChatGPT, ask a question, when India got independent. I don't have to train the model onto India, onto the Indian history. It has already trained up onto large or vast data sets. So basically, it is able to predict the next word, 1957, and it is able to do that. So that is called zero shot learning. No learning required. Few shot learning is something like, I want the ChatGPT to convert the sentence into, let's say, French. So what I'll do is, I'll give some examples to the ChatGPT. Hello equals to bonjour. Thank you equals to merci. Good night equals to bon Inuit. See you tomorrow equals to question mark. So ChatGPT will now understood from the upper 3 examples that I have to convert the words before the equal to French for the words after equal to. That's called few shot learning, and it will convert the see you tomorrow to French and it will give me an output. I don't know what output in French it means, but 3 words I knew. Hello, bonjour, thank you, merci, and good night to bon, I knew it. What see you tomorrow knows, I don't know, but it basically that's called few shot learning. So you give few shots and the model understands. So model use case like chatbots, code generation, designing agents and models. So basically, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, GenAI. GenAI is a sub part of this thing.